Wonderful.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. I'm not gonna call this a weekly vlog because I don't think I'm gonna vlog like a few days in my week. In fact, I think I'm just gonna vlog like 2 or 3 days out of the week, but there are a few exciting things happening in my life. The first one being that our 2020 planner is finally here. I'm so excited about this year's planner. I think this is our best planner so far, both in terms of like the actual like content in the planner and also in terms of the price and what we have to offer. More about that in a little bit. So let me just start off by talking about today. So today we are doing the photography for our planner. I do have like a specific like a theme and like mood board in mind for the shoot. So we're gonna try to execute that today, and then I'm gonna sit down with you guys and do a flip through. This is like a thing that we do every single year and you guys also wait for it every single year, so I definitely want to do that. I want to explain to you guys what we had in mind while creating the planner, why every single page is in the planner. So yeah, let's just get started with today's day. Before we get started, I know you guys are gonna ask what lipstick I'm wearing because it's such a beautiful red. So I'm wearing BBRL from Anam's brand, which is called Verified. They have the most beautiful lipsticks and just look at how beautiful this red looks. I've never been more obsessed with a red in my life. So this is what I'm wearing now. Let's get started with our day. Okay, so our set is ready. I went ahead and bought this tile in the morning from a tile wala and he was so confused when I told him कि मुझे एक ही खरीदनी है. But I got this marble print tile. Then we have this fur rug, roses because there are roses on the cover. Then some macaroons because I just thought that's like the vibe. Then we have like a small little like latte thing, and then we have the free stickers. And then okay, वो सब तो you guys must have seen already on our Instagram, but yeah, this is what the photo shoot setup looks like. How pretty are these flowers? I put them in a mason jar. I hope they live for a long time. It doesn't really go with the aesthetic, but that's fine. They're so pretty. Okay, update. We're done with the photo shoot. I think it went really well. I'm so happy with the way the photos turned out. I think now I can sit down with you guys and do the flip through. I'm very like excited for you guys to see this. Okay, so this is what our planner for this year looks like. I am so in love with the way it looks, and the theme for this year is live life in full bloom. So we were inspired by the 12 birth flowers. Just like how there are birthstones for every month, there are birth flowers for every single month, and every single flower has a meaning attached to it, and also it conveys a certain emotion. So what we have done is every single month we've given you cards, letters. So for example, let me actually show you. This is what the card for July looks like. It has the specific flower for the month, and at the back it has a space for you to actually write a letter to someone. So you can actually tear this from the book once you're done with the month, and piche you can write down a cute little letter to someone and actually gift it to someone. So the flower for July is called Larkspur, and basically the Larkspur signifies a bond of love. Here is a heartfelt letter from me to strengthen this bond even further. So on the basis of the emotion, there's a cute little write-up, and then you can write that to someone. So for example, if there's someone in your life who gives you hope, you can give that letter to that person. Then there's one flower that signifies good energy, positivity. So if you think that someone brings positivity in your life, you can give them that card. So basically that was the idea that we went off of. So all of our artworks are based on that idea, and as always, I don't think I need to mention this, all our artworks, everything, even the free stickers that I'll get to, everything is hand drawn and hand painted. So this is what the cover looks like. We did go for another like vintage vibe. All of our covers have that kind of feature in them, and on the cover it says live life in full bloom, and we do have golden Viro this time. Usually we always have black, but this time we've upgraded to golden, and we also have these golden book edges right here, which just add like a really like nice and classy touch. Before I actually open up the planner and go through all of the pages, let me show you all the things that come free with our planner. So the first thing is this really cute pocket size notebook. I personally always need a notebook on me at all times, so I thought we should add like a mini one so that you can carry it in your planner in the pocket that it comes with. Then we have the 6 sticker sheets. We obviously have this one that you can actually use to plan. Then we have some really cute quirky ones as well, and then we have these mini ones. These you can use to stick on your cell phone or literally anywhere that you want. There are quite a few. I'm not going to show you everything that's in here, and obviously all of this is hand drawn and hand painted as well. We have a bookmark, and then we also have 2 post-its because I personally love using post-its to plan. Okay, let's get started with the planner. So this is the first thing that you see when you open our planner. There is a pocket right here, and in this pocket our pocket size notebook sits perfectly in here, which is something that I love, and I'm definitely going to be carrying this notebook with me everywhere. On this side it says the 2022 planner, and then once we flip we have another quote which says happiness blooms from within, and then a space for you to write down your name or any other information that you want to jot down. Then here we have our design credits, and then a little note from Aditya and I. Then we have all the 12 birth flowers that I had spoken to you guys about earlier, and then again a little bit of a description regarding the theme. And then we start off with the vision board. Now I know I usually make the vision board with you guys, but I feel like it's too soon to make my vision board now. So basically, if this is the first time that you're watching like a planner flip through, essentially what you need to do here is you can print out images of the goals or certain visuals that you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything from work, personal life, it can be financial, it can be like a specific house that you want to buy or a specific car that you want to buy. It can literally be anything and everything. So I usually print out like a bunch of different images and I stick them here with you guys. I will still do that, but maybe towards the end of the year, like in December maybe, and I'll vlog it for you guys in one of the vlogs, pakka. Next we have the 2022 goals. Now this year I have kind of segregated everything. So we have health goals, relationship goals, career goals, personal goals, financial goals, and spiritual goals. So this is going to help you tap into every aspect of your life and just really introspect and know what you want. Now this is a goal setting page. I think this is one of my like top favorite pages in the planner because this kind of breaks down your big goals into tiny little goals. So it starts off with someday goal. So what is that one goal that you want to achieve someday? Then we have the 5-year goal. So you need to kind of write down what are you going to do in the next 5 years in order to achieve this big goal of yours. And then this is your 1-year goal. So 1 year mein what are you going to do in order to achieve this? And then your monthly goal. What are you going to do every single month in order to achieve this big goal of yours? So it's essentially breaking down your big goal into tiny little pieces and just making it easier for you. This is again another new page, which is the not to-do list. So we all are very much used to making to-do lists. This is the not to-do list. Basically, you're supposed to jot down all the tasks that kind of drain your energy, distract you from your true goals. So this is again another really fun page. So basically this is like an exercise that I did quite a few years ago and I loved the way, like I loved the results of it. So on this side of the page, you're going to describe your current me, like what you are. You can use adjectives. You can even draw yourself if that's something that you want to do. Whereas on this page, you're going to write stuff down that you want to kind of manifest. This is the version that you want to see yourself becoming into. So for example, you could write down the future me wakes up at 7 o'clock every day in the morning, gets a quick 15-minute workout, or it could be something like the future me earns X amount of money. Like you can literally write whatever you have in mind, everything that you want to be, you need to put it down in words. And this is actually one exercise that I did earlier a few years ago, as I mentioned, and I personally loved it, so I wanted to add this for you guys, and I would recommend you guys to take this kind of seriously. Take some time out of your day and actually do this seriously. So this is a spread that we've had in our previous planners as well, but I love this page, so I wanted to repeat it. So here it says, this year I will start, quit, learn, try, visit, avoid, improve, achieve. I think I'm gonna fill this out with you guys. So this year I will start taking out time for myself. I will quit, I think, overthinking. It has definitely gotten better, but I think I can get even better at it. Learn, I really want to learn skateboarding. I've been saying this for years. Try to be more spontaneous. Visit, I think North India. Avoid, I think sleeping late. Improve, I think my stamina. Like I feel like I might look fit, but I'm not actually that fit. I think for achieve, I'm going to be a little bit ambitious and say 500k on Instagram. Now moving on to the wish list. So basically this is a space where you can write down your needs and your wants. So needs are things that you need, you cannot live without, whereas wants you can totally live without, but it's just something that you want, as the word suggests. So let's fill it out. I actually can't think of anything that I need, so I'll fill out a want. I do want a drone. That's something that I want. So one more thing that I've noticed is writing things down really help you manifest. Like there have been a lot of times wherein I write certain things down, like especially in this wish list, and they actually end up happening. Like last year I remember I had written that I wanted a GoPro in my wants, and I ended up buying it. I'm not saying likhne se ho jayega, but when you write things down, you're kind of putting it out in the universe. Here we have the period tracker. This is a new addition. A lot of you guys wanted me to add in the period tracker, so this is what it looks like. So basically how you use it is, for example, January mein aapko periods at 12th तारीख को, so you can just fill it in right here. There are different keys right here. So for spotting, for light flow, medium flow, heavy flow, you can use that and you can track it every single month, because personally I always forget when my periods were in the previous month, so I think this is going to be really useful for me. Then here we have the yearly spread for you to like see kaun se day pe kaun sa date hai, and like you have space here also for you to write agar kuch important likhna hai aapko. Iske baad start hota hai all the monthly spreads. I don't want to show you guys all our artworks, so this is an artwork that is already on our website. So this is what March ka artwork looks like, and the flower for March is the daffodil. So every artwork has that flower as a part of the artwork, and then like a cute quote that goes with it. So as I mentioned earlier, these are the cards that you can actually gift someone, and yahan pe piche it says the daffodil symbolizes hope. Just like a daffodil, you are my ray of hope. So this is for someone that you want to give that message to. You can tear this, cut this, and then you can write down a little letter, and you can actually give this to someone. So that's definitely something that you can do. By the way, this is different for each and every month. Obviously the artwork is going to be different, and then the note here is also going to be very, very different. Then here we have the monthly goals. So the mini goals for this month, the main goal for this one, affirmations for this month, and then a little bit of, again, like an affirmation this month will be. So you can kind of put it down what you want your month to be like. Then here we have the monthly spread. Again, good enough space for you to write down anything that you want to jot down. Then यहाँ से start होता है weekly spread, and इस बार we've also written down the days along with the date. Again, a lot of space for you to write everything down. फिर यहाँ पे है the expense tracker, and then the monthly budget. This is actually something that a lot of you guys loved in our last planner, so we added this again. This is just to help you with your finances on a monthly basis. यहाँ पे है habit tracker. तो इसका भी कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत ही सिमिलर है एज कम्पेयर टू द पीरियड ट्रैकर. सो हियर यू कैन ट्रैक whatever that you want. So you can track your sleep, you can track your water intake, you can track your productivity, reading habits, literally anything and everything. Then we have the monthly check-in. So for you to kind of summarize the month, so describe the month in a word. Then what are you most grateful for in this month? What was your highlight of the month? What was your biggest achievement? What are you looking forward to for next month? And then that's not it. We also have a to buy list. So this is something that you can use for your grocery list, or you can use it for writing notes or making to-do lists. Now this is left empty so that you can actually customize it however you want. Then we have a brain dump page. So this is a space for you to just write and record your thoughts. Again, you can use this for anything. खाली छोड़ा है तो आपको जैसे use करना है, you can use it like that. And then that's it. यहाँ से next month शुरू हो जाता है. Now after every 3 months, there's a quarterly review, quarterly check-in. So basically this is just kind of like a summary again of the last 3 months. Every 3 months you can kind of check in with yourself and see the progress of all of your goals, how well you are doing. So it has questions like major goals that you've been able to complete this quarter, what worked for you in this quarter that can be continued for the next 3 months, what area do you want to focus in the next 3 months, things you should start doing and stop doing, and the affirmations for the next quarter, for the next 3 months. I personally have been a huge fan of affirmations, so I kind of wanted to include that in this year's planner as well. Okay, moving on to my favorite page in the entire planner. So basically this is a goal mapping guide for you guys, which you will get every 3 months. So this is an activity that I remember doing when I was in school. So this is called the SMART activity. So basically your goals have to be specific, they have to be measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So let me actually give you an example and just explain to you a little bit better. So say for example, your goal is to go to Himachal Pradesh to travel. For example, that's something that you want to do. So make it specific. Start off by making it specific. How many days do you want to go to Himachal Pradesh? Where do you want to go specifically? And what kind of trip do you want it to be? Do you want it to be budget friendly? Do you want it to be luxurious? Whatever. Make it specific. Next, how are you going to be able to make it measurable? So for example, let's say that I am going to be saving rupees 5,000 every single month for a year, so that I'm going to be able to go on this trip. So by the end of it, I'll be making like saving 60,000 rupees, which I think should be enough to go to Himachal Pradesh. Please remember, these are just examples that I'm giving you. Then next, attainable / action. What is the action that you're going to be taking in order to achieve this? Basically, how are you going to be able to save 5,000 rupees? So what are actions going to be in order to achieve this goal? Then relevant. Do you think this goal is relevant? Do you think this is realistic? Definitely something that you need to introspect on. And then last one is time bound. This is very, very important because I feel like people make goals but then they forget to put a time like around it, because you can achieve a goal in 10 years, or if you want you can achieve a goal in 10 months. It's totally up to you. So it's very important to put a time span to this. So you could write down, I want to be able to achieve this goal in the next 1.5 months, 1.5 years, or whatever, you know. Now this is the back, the end of the planner, because पीछे तो वही सब continue होते रहेगा. The artwork, then the monthly check-in and all of that. It's the same pattern that keeps repeating. At the back, we have this photo dump. Basically, I wanted to create a space for you to kind of like make collages and kind of you to stick all of your images from this year. Kind of scrapbook style almost, because I personally save all of my planners and I feel like अगर ये साल के सारे beautiful memories, if I'm able to stick them on this page whenever I were to go through my planner, it would be so beautiful. So I just wanted a space for you to be able to stick whatever images that you wanted to stick. Then we have another page to kind of introspect on your yearly favorites. This is like a very light-hearted, fun page. And then this is a little bit more serious, like for you to kind of introspect. So rate your 2022. Which relationship in your life surprised you in a positive way? Did you start thinking about yourself in a different way this year? What simple pleasures made you happy this year, and achievement that you're really proud of from this year? Then travel planner, travel sheets. ये last year भी थी but ज़्यादा use नहीं कर पाए obviously because of COVID. I feel like this year we might be able to use these pages, so I wanted to add a few. So यहाँ पे packing list है जो आप break down करके लिख सकते हो, and then this is a planner for you to be able to actually map out your travels. I have given like quite a few pages for you to add that in. यहाँ पे पीछे we have this really cute edition which is called the worry jar. So in this you can place all your worries and leave them here, and you cannot think about those worries for the rest of the day. So whatever it is that you're worrying about, I know it sounds very like cliche, but I feel like penning down your thoughts really helps. Like journaling is one of the biggest stress busters for me personally, but I feel like journaling can be a little bit daunting at times. So this is a very like safe space for you to like just write down like pointers and make kind of like a to-do list of things that you're worried about and just be done with it. Again, we have a few more pages of that, and then पीछे we've added some empty pages or lined pages for you guys to write down your notes. यहाँ पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लिखना है तो लिख सकते हो. And then यहाँ पे पीछे भी एक pocket है. And with that, we're done with the flip through of our 2022 planner. Okay, coming to the price. So for our planner, the entire planner, plus our pocket size notebook, plus our 6 sticker sheets, 1 bookmark, 2 post-its, and of course the 12 cards that you're gonna get. The price for all of this is rupees 999 only. We really worked hard to not increase the price from last year. Last year का भी price 999 ही था, ये साल का भी price 999 ही है. Even though the things have increased, even there's like golden spiral binding this year. There are instead of last year there were 4 sticker sheets, this time there are 6. There was no notebook last year, we added a notebook also this year. So for all of this it's 999 rupees, and in order to place your order all you need to do is click the link in the description. Basically you'll go to www.simbalifestyle.com and that's how you can place your order. So I think that's it for my flip through. I really hope you guys liked our planner and the idea behind it. We've spent a lot of time and effort into this, and I hope it kind of shows.
The next day.
For today, Mansi and Sahil are going to be coming over. This is going to be actually just their second time that they're here, thanks to COVID. But we're just going to chill. They're also going to stay over, so it's going to be a really fun time. I think Mansi might be vlogging as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to vlog different parts. So if there's like a specific thing happening, like say for example if we go out to the restaurant to have a meal, if she vlogs that, I won't vlog that, so that you guys can see like different parts of our day, if that makes any sense, so that doesn't get basically repetitive for you guys. That's what I was trying to say. So for everyone asking if Mansi Mao and I are still friends
Yeah, I'm tired of this question.
I know, right? For like if we don't post together or if we don't talk to each other
Why did
online.
you post on her birthday? You didn't gift her anything. You didn't call her on her birthday.
कुछ नहीं गाइस, ये पैचअप हो गया था इसलिए ऐसा है.
कैसा है यार, मत बोल ये सब.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Tell them what we've done. We've called for
वड़ा पाव.
वड़ा
With
पाव.
मिर्ची and लहसुन का चटनी.
मुझे इतने दिन से क्रेविंग हो रही थी, आज I can finally have another one. Even though I just had one like 2 days ago.
And we call for लस्सी also. इसमें लस्सी गैंग में ये है नहीं, इसको कोई नहीं देगा. हम सब
Chas
लस्सी
always.
पीते. लस्सी गैंग. We all are लस्सी गैंग.
Just making some chai for everyone, and this time the chai is not in a kadhai.
मानसी.
क्या है?
Because we don't want to buy a cover, we are using our mask as a cover for the
दिख रही है
mouse.
प्रमोशन दिख रही है.
प्रमोशन है ना, प्लगइन खुद के घर में ही प्लगइन कर रही है.
घर पे जो भी आएगा उसको बता. अरे मास्क है.
मास्क क्या? Where did you get it from? Oh, किया.
Thanks, guys, ये
It's
सब
my own
चीज़ें.
brand.
Vada pav and chai finally. Even though the vada pav is a little weird, मतलब थोड़ा अजीब नहीं लग रहा है
मेंदू वड़ा लग रहा है
ये?
मेरे को.
हाँ ना, मेंदू वड़ा. Exactly, the color is a little off.
कांदा भजी डाला ऐसा लग रहा
Ah, don't say that,
Don't
please.
say that, yeah.
है.
ये सब मत डाल vlog में. मैं रील्स डाल रही हूँ in my defense.
यार, मुझसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है.
क्या एक्टिंग कर दोनों. अभी फोन अंदर डाला.
कोई भी बात नहीं कर रहा है, इसीलिए मैंने फोन लिया था. शिखर मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, ये मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, साहिल
सब फोन पे थे 1 सेकंड पहले. सब फोन अंदर डाल दे कैमरा उठते. मानसी से बात करने के लिए हमने रखा यार.
क्या झूठा है तू. लाइफ में इतना झूठा है सबने नहीं देखा.
Just want to update you guys that it is, what's the time please, someone help me.
7:40.
7:45 and we're gonna leave at 8:30 to go to our dinner reservation. We're going out finally. I don't even remember actually the last time I went to a restaurant, है ना, Goa में, but उसके अलावा like in Mumbai I don't remember. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm very excited and I'll show you guys what we're wearing in a bit.
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my
Okay, so I am ready. I just repeated the same outfit that I wore to the casino because मेरे कोई pictures ही नहीं आए उसमें. Actually मैंने थोड़ा switch कर दिया. I'm just wearing like regular jeans. She's पीछे like doing my mimicry. I am wearing regular jeans instead of leather pants because too much. बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. Mansi is wearing her last year का birthday dress. Come here. Also Mansi has forced everyone to wear black today.
We are twinning, all of us.
Yeah, everyone's wearing black. So we should take nice pictures actually.
We should. We will.
We'll see. एक बार जब flow में बातें शुरू होती है ना, no one remembers about like pictures or even
घर
picking
आके
up.
खींचेंगे रात को 1 बजे वो खींचेंगे.
We'll see. Your turn. No, too embarrassed. Good one. आज हमें याद रहा कि ग्रुप पिक्चर लेना चाहिए एंड मानसी माओ को ये जीनियस आइडिया आया।
मेरे को तो मजा आया।
कंट्रोवर्सी क्या मृदुल ने छुपाया था मानसी का फोन?
मानसी को चाचा।
साहिल ने कहला है
अब सच बता क्या हुआ?
Guys, I lost my phone in the
But we found it.
restaurant and I just gave her a surprise and then I was like photo खींचते हैं and photo ही नहीं है, phone ही नहीं है. So Adi and everybody went to the restaurant.
चलो they're going to enact Mansi and Sahil. अंदर आ गाइस, रोड से अंदर आओ प्लीज, इधर आओ।
What is your password?
नहीं आ रहे हमसे, नहीं आ रहे हैं।
Also this happened in the meanwhile.
दोस्त बने दुश्मन। मानसी ने डाला मृदुल को टिक्की।
Safe होना चाहिए।
दोनों की अगले साल के बिग बॉस में एंट्री पक्की। बिग बॉस 16
इन्फ्लुएंसर स्पेशल।
YouTube की सबसे बड़ी कैट। ओ भाई तू अंदर चली जाएगी, पता चला ये भी अंदर बैठ गया। मृदुल ने डाला मानसी को टिक्की। मृदुल बोली मैं अकेली नहीं जाऊंगी, तू भी आएगी मेरे साथ।
Cutie puppy, give me a paw. Show them how you give me a paw.
कैमरा कॉन्शियस है। Trying viral TikTok hacks.
No, wait, hold on. Mansi Mao and Sahil Rathod got me a cake. So we're gonna eat it, but as Adi said.
But Maddie style.
Trying viral TikTok hacks.
वाट लगाने वाले।
हाँ भाई तुम 3 लोग ही पूरा कहो, हम तो कुछ खाए ही नहीं।
So gift opening session is done. I'm like wearing one of those things. If you want to know more, go watch more Mao. In the meanwhile, let's get started with our fashion show. Ready? We're ready for you. Come on, where's the coordination?
साहिल या।
The next day.
Are you sad that you're leaving? Don't cry.
Short vacation.
We'll meet Abhi in like 10 days. Probably. Forgot? Probably.
Probably.
Bye. See you. So I forgot to film the outro for this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun while editing this vlog, and also I hope you guys enjoyed our 2022 planner. Obviously I'm going to be linking it in the description box below, and don't forget to go watch Mansi Mao's vlog as well, the other half of the day. Links in the description, and till then subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.